features are companies with 50 to 100 employees can have up to 40 SaaS services. And I want to put this into perspective with a real example.
I will show you an AI automation we did in 1 hour that replaces ChatGPT's front end, and you can all roll that out.
Using Make, we reduced the manual workload by 500 hours a month.
Up until we started using Monday.com, everything was a bit disjointed. I don't really know what I do without Monday.com at this point because my whole life exists in there.